Hello coffee enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of espresso perfection with the 5-in-1 Espresso Tamping Station, your ultimate barista espresso kit. This complete set includes a tamper, dual-head distributor, stirrer, cleaning brush, and a tamper stand, all designed to elevate your coffee-making experience. The coffee station organizer features a height adjustment nut and anti-slip feet, ensuring your portafilter is held securely without scratching your countertop. The 51mm espresso distributor and leveler boast a well-polished SUS 304 and aluminum alloy construction, offering customizable compressing depth for precision brewing. The 51mm spring-loaded tamper, with its smooth SU 304 base and solid aluminum alloy handle, guarantees consistent compression of coffee powder every time. Enhance your extraction consistency with the espresso stirrer, designed for even distribution of coffee grounds. Elevate your home brewing game and enjoy barista-quality espresso with this all-in-one kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.